Hey loves, welcome back again to another video. So I'm going to start off by moisturizing my hair, which is very important. Okay, so I'm basically using a mixture of water and leave-in treatment, which will make my hair super soft and easy to work with. Okay, so after combing it, I'll just go ahead and use my Sofnfree Gel. So I'm going to apply it just like you guys can see in the video, and then after that I'll just take my Bamsi Wax and apply it onto the hair. So normally I will apply the wax after using the gel. The consistency of the wax is thick as opposed to the Sofnfree Gel, so that is why I normally mix the gel plus the wax, because again I didn't get to straighten my hair, so I just want my hair to be like a laid down and all that. So hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Tungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please don't leave the subscribing and help me share this video to your friends and to your family, and I will truly appreciate all your support. So loves, once I'm satisfied with how my hair is looking like, I'll just go ahead and grab a little bit of wax, because you have some flyaways going on. And once I'm satisfied with everything, I'll just take my hair tie, and I'm going to use it to tie my hair and leave it for about 45 minutes as I do my makeup. And that is how we got to slick down our hair. And please let me know in the comment section down below if you have any questions, any concerns regarding this hairstyle, or anything that I will wish to know. Please let me know in the comment section down below. So this extension, I made it from Brazilian wool, and I really didn't get to measure like at the exact length, but what I knew for a fact is that I wanted it like a little bit long. Okay, so you can just take the exact measurements if you want a specific measurements, that is. Okay, so after attaching it onto my natural hair band, I'll just go ahead and flip it over, and then I'm going to grab a piece of this extension. I'm going to use it to secure our ponytail, because you don't want your hair to move or anything of sorts. Okay loves, on to the fun part of this hairstyle. To achieve that bubble ponytail situation, you want to secure your hair. You can use elastic bands, but I'll be securing the ponytail, or rather the extension, using some pieces of thread. So I set aside some 6 pieces of thread, so that is what I'm going to use to secure our hair and to have that bubble situation going on. Once you feel like you have secured the hair enough, you'll just go ahead and take your scissors and just cut the excess thread. Okay, so that is what I did. The process was pretty much repetitive, and that is what I did throughout. Just continue watching, because once we reach to the last part of securing the hair, I'll just go ahead and just grab elastic band and secure our ponytail. And that is just about it for today's video, guys. I'm hoping that you've learned a thing or two, And if you did, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video till this very point. So just continue watching, and I'm hoping that you'll subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, this was it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. I will see you again in my next one. Bye for now and take care.